Assets, things, belongings, stuff. Whatever you call them, you can't ignore the relationship you have with them. It's not just that you care deeply for them, but also what you can do with them that matters. They're the things that feed your passion, drive your business, and bring joy into your life. And like any good relationship, you want to invest time, care, and effort into them. They're worth nurturing because they will give back. But the time will come when the relationship reaches an end. And a smooth end is always welcome. Say hi to StockBox, a technology that looks after the relationship you have with your stuff. StockBox allows you to do things with your stuff when your stuff isn't doing the things they were bought for. Time for a new car? Buy your next car from a rated and trusted seller. Stove not giving you the love it used to? Get it serviced by an accredited provider at your home. Your insurer giving you trouble? Sort out quotes and claims by stocking your items in your StockBox. StockBox makes it easy to build a better relationship with your most valued items. Have a cherished art piece, fancy watch, or some precious jewelry? Have it valued by our experienced valuators. And when the love is lost, sell it. Parting isn't always sweet. Sorry. Remember that time you had your phone nicked? StockBox stores an inventory of all your insured items in one place. Makes claiming hassle-free. And when it's time for all good things to come to an end, say goodbye to that favorite bicycle you never used in a trusted marketplace where payments are secure. StockBox. Trusted, simple, yours. Now offering StockBox for business with an integrated marketplace.